Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of our Module 2.2 series, Customer Relationship Management. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, consists of technologies and processes an organization uses to build relationships with its current and prospective customers. Some common objectives are improving customer retention, improving profitability, growing revenue, and listening to customers. So let's start off with customer retention. Attracting new customers is often more difficult and expensive than retaining existing ones, and the new customer may be actually less profitable than the old one. Strategies for improving retention stress customer satisfaction, loyalty rewards, and perks for returning customers. So just think about it this way. If you are satisfied from your experience from a restaurant or a store, you are more likely to come back, right? So another example are loyalty cards in malls like SM Advantage, Robinsons Rewards, the ones that they gave out in Landers and SNR, right? Um, these are they incorporate reward strategies to get customers to come back to them. When you use mobile applications like Grab, Uber, Lazada, Shopee, you also get rewards by earning points if you use the application multiple times. These are strategies to retain customers because, again, it is more expensive to find new customers than to retain old ones. Research shows the following. Acquiring a new customer is 5 times more expensive than retaining an existing one. Increasing customer retention rates by 5% increases profits by 25 to 95%. The success rate of selling to a customer you already have is 60 to 70%, while success rate of selling to a new customer is 5 to 20%. And last, customer retention is crucial for forecasting consistent growth in financial planning. If you can count on committed customers returning for the next financial quarter, anticipatory budgetary decisions are easier to make. Again, if you're able to make your decisions easier, right, then you are doing your job as MIS. So yes, it is better to invest in your existing customers than trying to find new ones. Next up is why should we improve customer experience? Because it increases revenue. CRM strategies to grow revenue often include finding new customers and markets, as well as earning more revenue from existing customers through tactics such as cross-selling and upselling. Cross-selling occurs when you sell customers offerings that complement or supplement the purchases they've already made. For example, if a customer bought a phone, you could offer them a case or AirPods. Like if they bought an iPhone, you can offer them AirPods to go with it, or any other good that complements or supplements their purchase. Next, for upselling, on the other hand, occurs when you increase a customer's value by encouraging them to add on a service or purchase a more expensive model. For example, if someone comes into your store wanting to buy a MacBook with 256 gigabytes of storage, and you instead offer them a MacBook with 512 gigabytes of storage to store more photos, music, files, videos, so on and so forth. That is considered upselling. Let's move on to profitability. Finding ways to reduce costs of serving each customer without also diminishing the customer satisfaction is an important goal of customer relationship management. So if you are able to reduce your costs but not diminish your customer satisfaction, then you are doing a great job. For example, a customer who calls FedEx to ask what happened to her package costs around $2.40 for FedEx. This is just a statistic that I found on the internet. But at the same time, if they submitted the query through the internet, through the company's website, it would just cost FedEx a penny to answer. So that is the difference, right? If they actually called the company itself, it would cost them $2.40. But if they just answer through the company's website, it would cost them much, much cheaper. And with that, you're not actually diminishing the satisfaction of the customer. So rather than calling, they can just go online. It is much less expensive also, and just email, and not really email, but ask a query through the company's website. So you need to find out how you would reduce the cost of serving the customer without diminishing the customer satisfaction. And last is listening to your customers. When customers answer one of your surveys, CRM software can easily capture and analyze what they say. Some systems can data mine on words in surveys such as sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a software that scans text comment boxes, blogs, or other user-generated content on the internet and employs algorithms to classify these texts as pro, con, or neutral. Sentiment analysis will not be further explained into detail, but it is actually a topic on social computing. Sentiment analysis is a topic on social computing and is actually one of the courses offered by our department, DISCS. You can enroll in this elective if in the future if you want. But for now, we will not get into detail about it. If you want to learn more about it, you can ask me, you can email me or Sir Gabo to find out more about sentiment analysis. Okay, moving on. Sorry. There. With knowledge about CRM, here is what technology can actually offer to us. Email marketing is a major focus of CRM applications. For example, CRM offers email marketing software that connects to the company's database to personalize each message. You know how they personalize it? They can just actually put your name, right? They can say something like, "Hi Jacob, hi Gabo, these are our rewards, we're going to have a sale," so on and so forth, right? That is how they personalize the message. They tap into the database and they look for the name and they personalize your message. E-marketing information systems also provide extensive tracking capabilities with detailed reports regarding messages bounced, which were opened or forwarded onto another email address, and the customers clicked on a web address in the message. So you can actually keep track of those too. An example is when you get a text blast from SNR or Landers or SM Malls or other rewards or memberships you are part of. This is the technology that they use. They use CRM technologies. Next is Salesforce automation. Salesforce automation systems boost performance of an organization's sales representatives by helping them track and manage their accounts, contacts, leads, and to-do lists. Some systems also help salespeople develop proposals and quotes for their clients and assist managers in evaluating the success of their sales teams. For mobile sales representatives, they are able to access CRM applications via the web and by smartphone to further interact with their clients as well. And last is customer service. CRM can help organizations make major improvements in customer service and support and reduce costs as well. The click to chat feature is widely used to interact with customers having login problems or other issues. So if you've encountered going to a website and someone was just ask you, "Hey, how may I help you?" Right? There is a chat box inside the website or in Facebook pages, right? If you visit sometimes when you visit a Facebook page, there's going to be a messenger pop-up that will ask you, "Hi, how may I help you? How are you finding this page?" That improves customer service because they may ignore it if they want, right? Like if they ignore it, there's nothing lost for you, but they can actually interact with this. They can actually interact with it as well. Online knowledge bases and support sites let customers also help themselves. Call center software can queue calls, let callers know the approximate waiting time, offer menu options for call routing, and retrieve customer data based on the caller's information so agents can quickly find answers as well. Like, for example, if you're going to call your internet service provider and you're going to ask, "When is my account due?" or "How much do I have to pay?" Right? They can just pull up your account that is considered in CRM technologies and they can tell you the information that you are looking for. And with that ends our video on CRM. Tune into our next video on ERPs. Thank you and see you then.